Thank you for watching my video CV. I'm Herbert S. Bautista, graduate of Bachelor in Science in Computer Engineering. As of now, I'm currently employed for Al Ayuni Investment Company as a technical support for 4 years. And I'm currently looking for a better company. Our company, eHightech, is a support provider, and as a technical support, I provide assistance such as troubleshooting, PC setup and assembly, software and hardware installations. We do cabling and terminations using Cat5, Cat6, and even fiber optics. We also do networking, and we also maintain for our client. Our work is a project based. We have project for schools, offices, bank, and even ministry. So we also provide consultation and network design for our client. And that's the summary of my experience. Thank you very much.